Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload. I upload on Tuesdays and Fridays. It is hot. There is a fan in the background. It is 90 degrees here in Chicago. And yeah, I'm sweating. I'm hot. I'm sorry. I have no makeup on because if I had makeup on, it would melt. So no point in having makeup on. So anywho, we're going to be testing in today's video copy paper. This is good old copy paper versus sublimation paper. And you can already tell this is A-Sub sublimation paper, 120 grams. And you can already tell, look how vibrant that is. Do you see that? And then the copy paper is not as vibrant. Here, you see that huge difference? So we're going to be pressing it and seeing, because some people claim you can use copy paper for sublimation. So we're going to be testing that out today. Okay, so if you want to see, just keep watching. So to test the paper, I'm going to have cardstock underneath. I'm going to have this piece of fabric here. This piece of fabric is 100% polyester. We're going to have this piece of fabric. I'm going to tape it down so that it doesn't move. Hopefully this works to secure it. Okay, so let me get the paper. So I'm just going to do one of these. Okay, so we're going to have one each. And I'm going to tape these down so that they don't move when we're pressing them. Because again, that would cause ghosting and you don't want that. And these pieces of heat resistant tape, you can reuse them. Honestly, like I reuse it all the time. So I'm gonna lower my temperature to 385. Up my temperature time to maybe 60 seconds. Okay. So now we're gonna put butcher paper. I have this big piece of butcher paper here, and we're gonna press. I'm gonna have to do one at a time. So I'm gonna press this one first. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other one, the paper. Pressing for the exact same amount of time. So we're gonna lift this, and you can see that there. You can actually see that there is ink on the butcher paper, so can't use this again. Okay, so now moment of truth. We're gonna do the sublimation side first. Oh, we'll do both. Got a little bit of ghosting there. I don't even think it's. Was it actually caused by ghosting? That's weird. Okay, so I'll bring you in for a close-up. So this left side is the sublimation ink. You can see how vibrant that is. There's a little bit of ghosting from when I lifted it up there. This side is the paper side. And it's more like bleeding than ghosting. Do you see that? Right here too. Okay, so here's what I noticed. This is a little bit more vibrant than this, but not by too much. The detailing on this one is way more clear this side seems a bit more blurry to me, like the words are not as clear. So you guys tell me in the comments, what do you think? Like, it's doable, but I rather spend the extra money and get the sublimation paper if it means that I'm gonna have better quality items. You see that? So you be the judge. Sublimation paper or copy paper? What do you think? So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit the bell notification button to be notified every time I upload. And don't forget to subscribe. Once we hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So help me reach that goal by subscribing and just commenting, liking my channel, guys. I really want to interact with you guys in the comments, so please comment down below. I'll comment first and you can comment as well. I would love to interact with you guys, get to know you guys. And yeah, that's it for this video. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.